Hi, Gracie. Are you eating cereal for the first time? Look at yum. You're like a professional. Here. Can't get enough already, huh? Yum. Here, you don't want to chew on that. Okay. Shh. You're good at this. Yeah. Okay. Shh. And you are 5 months old today, aren't ya? Huh? Is it your birthday? Shh. It's okay. She really likes her cereal. Good stuff. Yeah.